All right, you have the Poulan Pro PR46BT leaf blower, great blower, but it won't start. You pull, you pull, you pull, you pull, you pull, and it just won't start. I'm going to show you what the problem is, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Welcome to ViewProof, and today this is another little fix-it video, and I'm going to talk about the Poulan Pro PR46BT. And one of the challenges is after you have this particular blower, this leaf blower, I love it, it's a great leaf blower, is that it tends not to start. So if you've had it a year or 2 years, maybe even 3 years, and you're having trouble starting the Poulan Pro PR46BT, I'm going to give you a very quick way of how to fix this, what's causing the problem, and how to fix it. All right, so one of the first things we have to do is we have to take these little plastic nuts off. And once we get those plastic nuts off, we'll show you what's behind there. And there's another one just underneath here, because we have to get this plate off right here. It takes a little bit to get it off. All right, so there's your filter there, okay? So we're going to take that out there. And then once we have that filter off, what we're going to do is we've got to get these two little nuts off. And so I'll show you how to do that. We've got the filter off. And so this is just an Allen wrench here. So I've got a little tool here from Harbor Freight, but any Allen wrench will work. And this is, it says 25 by 4 is what it is, a 25 by 4 Torx. So I'm just going to put that in there and unscrew that a little bit. Unscrew this one a little bit. Pull this all the way out. So the problem that we have, you're going to find, is actually right behind here, okay? So that whole part, we just pulled that whole part off. And so what you have is this back here, this little piece right here, okay? So it's just right behind that, that filter. You have to pull that whole piece off. And you see how loose that is? That's more than likely your problem. It's not going to be your spark plug. It's not going to be a clogged fuel line in most cases. It's going to be this little piece here. That should not be loose. And so what you'll have to do is you'll have to go in here and just tighten this back. And it just gets loose over time. And I don't know if it's a faulty design or what have you, but once that's tightened, no air gets back through there. Okay? And then once that is back on there, I'm going to get that tool back in there. Put that all back on. You want to tighten these up a little bit. Don't over tighten them. Just get them snug. We're going to get that filter back in there. Just tighten that up on the bottom. Get that lined up. There's a little gasket on the inside. You want to line those two up. Tighten that back. And now that we have those tight, now we'll go through the instructions and we'll start it up. We've got it all set up. We've got ourselves some fuel. We're going to take the same steps that we normally would take, which is you're going to move this blue lever up, okay? You're going to prime it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On your handle, you're going to switch that to the on position, just like you did before. Squeeze your trigger, set your lock, just like that. Okay, we're going to take 6 pulls. Whoa. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you already heard it. It already wants to start. Put it down to there. And there you go, you're back in business. So again, just make sure that little piece back there, again, you just gotta go tighten that up. Once you tighten that up, don't over tighten it, and you'll be back in business.